Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok camera not working, iPhone permission fix. First of all, go ahead and open your settings app and then go to search and then search for TikTok. Next, make sure you have access to photos and access to your given access to camera. If you have not toggled the option on, toggle the option on. This is how you can have access to your camera on TikTok. Then go to your TikTok account, click on the three-line icon, then go to settings privacy, go to privacy, scroll down and make sure you have access to your camera. Next, you will restart TikTok by swiping it away from the bottom of your screen and swiping it up from your bottom of your screen and swiping it away. Next, go ahead to your app store, search for TikTok and then make sure to update it to the latest version if you haven't already. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.